Are you tired of accidentally zooming in or out while using the Moodle app? In this video, I will show you a simple step-by-step method to disable pinch to zoom on Moodle, making your learning experience smoother and more comfortable. So let's go to see how it works. First thing you have to do, you will go to this page of Moodle and you will enter. Then here in this page, you will wait a moment. You will find this sign of settings, so you will tap on settings on above here. You will click. After that, in this window, you will find general settings, so you will tap on general settings. And then here in this page, as you see, you will find enable pinch to zoom, so you will click here. As you see in this page, to disable pinch to zoom in that way on this application of Moodle. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.